Yo, boss, what the doing? Stop. What the doing?
On the evening of May 30th, 2026, Dallas police officers conducted a routine traffic stop on South Marsalis Avenue in Dallas, Texas.
Yo, boss, what the stop. What the doing? Hey, he get in the car! Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the car! Oh my God! They're channel 4.
No.
They actually helped me out.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right. Witness.
Stacy Huffman, 37, remains hospitalized following the incident. Officer Kenneth Harper was treated for injuries and later released. Upon his release from the hospital, Huffman will face charges of driving while license invalid, possession of a controlled substance, unlawful possession of a firearm, unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, and escape from custody. The incident is under active investigation by the Dallas Police Department's Special Investigations Unit. The Dallas County District Attorney's Office and the Office of Community Police Oversight have both been notified.